Hello friends, the title of the video is Quad and China. Quad is a quadrilateral forum involving India, USA, Japan and Australia. The accidental origin of the Quad go back to the Boxing Day tsunami in the Eastern Indian Ocean at the end of 2004. To coordinate the regional relief measures to overcome the tsunami, the navies of four nations, that is India, USA, Japan and Australia, came together on a short notice. Soon after, in 2007, Shinzo Abe, the then Prime Minister of Japan, articulated the concept of Indo-Pacific and urged the collaboration between USA and three Asian democracies, that is, India, Japan and Australia, to stabilize the new strategic geography. It is only in the last couple of years that the Indo-Pacific geography has gained widespread political acceptance. Now, we will try to explore the relationship between Quad and China. If the Chinese leaders looked in the mirror, they would see that it is Beijing's excessive strategic ambition that is driving the consolidation of the Quad. Over the years, Beijing has reacted with hostility to the Quad. It often dismissed the Quad as a pitiful efforts to contain a rising China and occasionally painted it as a great threat to the global peace and security. As the case for the Quad gained ground amidst the China's post-pandemic aggression on multiple fronts, Beijing is trying to demonize a forum. Until recently, there was much reluctance in all the four capitals, that is Delhi, Tokyo, Washington and Canberra, against embarking on any venture that would give political offense to China. The reason was simple. All the four had serious economic stakes in China. All four tried to downgrade the Quad at different times. Resultantly, the Quad seems a less organized cousin of BRICS Forum. What is transforming the Quad today from a talk shop into a purposeful strategic framework is China's growing unilateralism and present efforts to establish regional and global dominance. To conclude, until recently, India has been the most cautious in imagining a robust future for the Quad. But now, India's attitude have begun to evolve as China's pressure on India intensified. Thank you for watching my video.